My cutie pies are up on the futon with me. You made my day. You guys make my day. Lifted my arm. Wrong move. Aren't you guys cute? Oh, the other two now are over finishing up the can of wet food. And then I'll put dry food down. It's morning. And they can have dry food till I come down again with some more wet food. Maybe I should just do... It depends. I got to go out of the house today, and I don't want them to be hungry for too long. Otherwise, I would just wait another, 4 hours? They're 8 weeks old. I have to look up in my kitten lady book how often they should eat at 8 weeks. Hello, babies. Everybody likes to watch the kitties play.